essentially welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make these beautiful Chinese headwear. So these are the bricks. I'm gonna use it as a reference for my DIY. Let's start the video. So fortunately I had this bracelet. I'm gonna use it for my DIY as a foundation. I'm gonna break it. The pictures I have shown in the beginning of this video, I'm not gonna make it its replica because the Chinese headwear are so unique and the accessories are used in this headwears I don't have. That's why I'm using my bracelet. Oh, I can do anything. I have to make it of my own design. So there is the jumping. I'm using it for connecting the 2 straws and not 3 straws. Trust me, this process is gonna be so simple. You can make it of your own design if you have any kind of accessory in your home. So watch carefully how I'm making this layer as a foundation. So this is how you have to connect these jump rings between stars. You have to connect 3 stars and 2 jump rings, and as well as you have to make 2 pieces for left and right. So it will come out like this, and yeah, we have completed the first step. I was talking about this. That's how you have to make 2 pieces. Now we are going to do something different. I have this rhinestone chain, and wanna know secret? It was a bracelet too. Damn it! I had to break it too. Below it, there's a plastic heart shape where I'm sticking it with the B7000 glue. I think so. Now we have to cut it. After cutting, keep it aside. Let's make another part of this Chinese headwear. So generally, I'm doing what is coming to my mind. I'm drawing the basic traditional Indian design. So you need to paste this rhinestone chain at the surface of this plastic sheet, and this is not hard and fixed that you have to make this type of design. If you have another design to your mind, then you can also draw this. And yeah, it is easy, but it is a time-consuming process. It means you have to give your time and your patience to you. Oh, whatever. But I want to make it. I want to wear it. That's why I'm making it. So while making it, try to make it small, dainty, because if it is so large, not gonna look beautiful, okay, on your head. The smaller you make it, the more beautiful it will look. So try to make it small, okay. Now we have to do basic things like joining the end of it. So I had this head pin. I don't think this is called head pin. What is called? If you know the name of it, please comment me, okay. I'm using this B7000 glue, and it is amazing. Like, it can glue this pin too. So like how this it will create. After that, you need to close the loop of this pins, connect the all pieces of this headwear like how you did this one side of this chain. Do same with the another end, okay. After that, the 70% of the Chinese headwear is complete. Now the second last step is that you need to add a large stone. If you have another one, then go with that. I have this type of this, that's why I'm using this. And the substitute of it, you can use pearl here too. If you don't have rhinestone chain, then you can use flat pearl if you don't have rhinestone chain. But the rhinestone chain has its magic. After that, you have to attach a chain at the end of this Chinese headwear to make it wearable. I'm using jumping here too for connecting it. After that, you need to attach a hook, and the last step of it, for which I'm waiting for, and it's hangable chains, and I am making it with the pearl smallest transparent, I think it's glittery silver pearls. That's how you have to make it. I made 6 pieces, 3 pieces for the left and 3 pieces for the right. You have to make it. After that, it will complete. After, you have to connect it to the stars. Now I'm gonna show how will look it on me. And oh my god, it's so brilliant. It's looking so good. Oh my god, this is looking like an original Chinese headwear. I can't believe I made it. I seriously can't imagine it will look so good on me, and I can't express in my words, okay. What would you rate it from 100? If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you're new on this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye bye.